I'm in Zion National Park, heading straight to the canyon overlook. Howdy.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, let's see this guy. Alright. On we go. Or not yet. This is a cool view. Is this really it? Thank you. Wow. Okay, cool. I don't know, I could smell the picture here, but maybe from there, shooting that way. Ah, tree's in the way. Howdy.
Howdy. Yeah.
You know, I'm from Michigan, but my one response to people passing on trails is howdy. And he goes howdy in like an Australian accent. And he's like, how you been, mate? Something like that. I'm like, I didn't say anything. I don't know. I didn't really know how to answer. Oh well, he's gone now. Look at those people there.
Thank you.
Of course, anytime. Hey, does anyone want to be in one of my photos?
Sure.
I was thinking, I mean, if you want to stand up there, if someone wants to.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Or you all, I mean, doesn't matter. Yeah.
Now, are you a photographer, professional photographer?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you shoot primarily?
Landscape, like this. Yep.
Where are you from?
Michigan.
What part?
Grand Rapids.
Nice.
Yep.
First time out here?
Yeah.
Pretty amazing, huh?
I've been to Arizona, but this is something else. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be over there. Just give me like a minute.
Okay.
Thank you. Right there is good for you guys. Perfect, thank you. Would you guys like the picture?
Huh?
Would you guys like the picture?
Yeah. That'd be awesome.
I could show it to you here and then I could send it to you guys.
Fantastic.
So here's, it's kind of hard to see, but
Oh, awesome.
Oh, beautiful.
That's awesome.
yep. And then,
Thank you, mate. That's cool.
of course.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. What's it? How should we get you our contact info?
I got a
Nice.
phone.
What's your name?
Drew.
Drew.
Yep.
Raffi, R-A-F-F-I.
I've got my card. You can just send it.
Whose phone number should I grab?
Yeah, I can give you mine.
Sure thing.
Yeah, send it to Julie. Sounds good.
Nice to meet you guys.
Likewise.
meet
Good to
you.
meet you too. Thanks so much.
Of course, anytime.
Yeah. Where are you staying
What
out
does
here?
that one do?
This is, so right here actually,
Oh, okay.
little GoPro, I do like content on TikTok and stuff. So.
Super
Cool.
What's
Yep.
your name?
Yeah.
Drew Chylek, C-H-Y-L-E-K.
Okay.
Yep, so
You got my phone?
I've been traveling for a few weeks now. I'm staying in St. George, so
Oh, nice.
Cool.
yep, I'm at a resort right now, so. How long?
What's the rest of your itinerary look like here?
Go on TikTok.
Let's see, I mean today not much, but this whole week Zion, and then next week Bryce Canyon, and Grand Canyon, Valley of Fire State Park, and then end of September I moved to Moab to get the other two national parks. And
You're on a soul quest.
yeah, yep, and then I move back home. So
What'd you say your TikTok was?
Drew Chylek, C-H-Y-L-E-K,
Cool. I'll get that later. I want to check
Yeah.
out your stuff.
of course.
Yeah, totally. That's awesome.
Well,
Yeah, the service isn't great, so I'm just taking a
make sure you-
screenshot of it.
Make sure you spelled it right.
C-H-Y-L-E-K.
Nice meeting you, Drew.
Yep, nice meeting you.
Good luck.
So much.
Thank you,
man.
thank you, appreciate it. Yeah,
Enjoy your travels.
thank you. Yeah, you guys too. How long are you guys here for?
We're actually heading tomorrow to Park City. We're here on
Okay.
a work event, and we're just trying to squeeze in a little,
Oh, there you
little
go.
time with Mother Nature.
Yep, yep,
I'm so glad that we did.
yep. I met someone just like that in Grand Tetons.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a few days ago. So.
Yeah, you've got a fun few weeks ahead of you.
Yeah, no, I'm excited. I got some friends visiting tomorrow and Friday, so yep,
Sounds like so
Nice.
much fun.
yeah, yeah.
Enjoy and safe travels to you.
Thank you.
I look
yeah,
forward
you
to
too.
seeing your work on TikTok.
Yeah,
or
of course,
social
of
media.
course.
Instagram?
Yes, yeah. Instagram's on TikTok. You'll see it. So
Sounds good.
appreciate it. Yep, thank you, you too.